everyone, how's it going? I want to welcome you to our cozy space. This is a space in your environment where children can go with you or on their own to regulate those big emotions. So I wanted to ask you, what does your cozy space look like in your environment? As you can see, there's a big stuffy animal here that is so soft and plushy. I just want to squeeze it. We have some pillows here as well. This is a faux fireplace and they just have the lights on, so there's no heat to give that really nice warm glow in this space. We have a couple books here on Breathe Like a Bear and My Monster Feels, and some books about how to help children identify those feelings and some breathing strategies. And then we also have here our little calming kit, and you can see there's a variety of tools in here that children can use to help them regulate those big emotions. I love cozy spaces in early childhood environments. So share with us, what does yours look like? Give us a little tour, and I'd love to see what everyone does in their environments to really help children regulate those big emotions. And for those of you that participate, guess what? We're gonna have a little prize for everyone. The winner of this engagement here will receive a cozy kit from me, or a calming kit from me, along with a free webinar for 2024. So everyone, like and share this post. Make sure you share with us pictures of your cozy space along with some of your favorite items in there. We hope to connect with you soon. Have a fabulous day. We'll see you next time.